Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I am Anki. Melbourne was in hard lockdown stage 4, but right now we are free from stage 4 and we are in stage 3 and we don't have any restriction, 25 kilometer or 5 kilometer restriction, and we can go anywhere inside Victoria for work or other leisure entertainment activities, but we should wear a mask. And in this situation, most of the students, international students who have arrived from their home country here for studies around February, March or January, December, and then lockdown hit, so they couldn't get a job, and right now they maybe are still struggling to get a job. And we all know the situation here. Most of the people have lost their job during this pandemic situation and lockdown and coronavirus, but there is always a green light, there is always a bright side of the story. So here I am with another hack for all those students or all the people who are struggling to get a job but they don't have a work experience here in Australia. So number one, try for volunteering. So search online, go to Google and find out volunteer in any area, like volunteer Melbourne, volunteer Sydney, volunteer Brisbane, and you will get a tons of organizations and other businesses or restaurants or anywhere you can volunteer. So this way you can get a job. It might not be a paid for now, but you will get a work experience there, and if you have work experience here in Australia, you can get another job. You can network with other volunteers and have chit chat, and you can understand about work culture. You can apply for other higher or paid job. So second is to go online, try to search in Seek, apply no skill or no work experience required job. So you will get a tons of job there, maybe few, but you can always apply wherever you are, and then you can get a job where you don't require any work experience. Number 3 is this is also volunteer. Try to apply for volunteer in Vinnie's or any other NGOs or other organization, like or restaurant, maybe Lentils as anything, where restaurant is run by volunteer like us, like anyone who wants to volunteer. So this way you will get exposure, you will find lots of people in your life and you can talk to them, and you can build network, you can have friends, and you can ask their number or contact in Facebook or maybe in LinkedIn, and you can get a job eventually. This way you can earn your experience, you can earn your working hour. You might not get paid, but there's always a green light. You can get a paid job with this experience. I hope these small tips helps you, whoever is currently looking for a job here in Australia and struggling. The other tip are also to search for any NGOs or government website where there can be a volunteer application within the government or organization. Make sure to check those area as well. So right now government has many kinds of campaign for the people who have lost their job and maybe they have volunteer opportunities. So try to Google, try to research and find out what you are looking for, and I hope you will find one very, very soon. Also search in Facebook groups which might be helpful for you to find a job, or try to check in meetups. So you can go to meetups and have industry exposure. Whichever job you are looking for or hunting for, you might find a people to whom you can talk to and maybe land in a job which you are looking for. Now it is a very hard time, but we should be positive and be resilient, and at the end we will find whatever we are looking for. I wish you very, very, very best of luck for all your future success. If you love this video, always don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll try to bring videos which can be related to international students or any other who are here in Australia and struggling for work or job or career or any other things. So if you like this kind of content, keep in touch. See you again. Bye bye.